a delayed reaction to my fantastic holiday or the chilly, balmy weather that we are in. But I'm not in the mood to cook, and I've had this going on for quite some time. If you're with me on it, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we take coconut milk and braise it in my version of a very stylish Thai curry. What I'm saying out here, it's just a simple Thai curry created my way. Don't be alarmed with the number of ingredients out here. I'm just using odds and ends, and I'm going to teach you the principles of creating this fantastic curry. So a kg of leg boneless meat cut into cubes takes about 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric. You want that ochre yellow color of turmeric, along with 1 teaspoon of finely crushed beautiful black pepper, 2 teaspoons of roasted cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, and not forgetting the gorgeous rind of a lemon. Just mix this all along with a splash of black soy sauce, tamari soy sauce, and about 20 ml of toasted sesame oil. We're just going to mix all this and leave it on the side. It doesn't need marinating. You can, if you want to indulge, and marinate it for about 20 to 30 minutes, but it's totally optional. Season either with some sea salt or Szechuan pink peppercorn sea salt, just to give it that burst of flavor. Into my smoldering hot cast iron goes in nearly 20 to 30 ml of toasted sesame oil, and we're just going to take that chicken and dunk it in on the slowest possible simmer. Allow it to sear perfectly well together. Two minutes of allowing this to sear perfectly well. We're just going to take it off on a plate and allow it to rest while we add all odds and ends to create this fantastic gravy. Now it is just infusion time, so 8 cloves of garlic go in, finely minced up, about ½ inch of ginger, some beautiful lime leaves, that's the kaffir lime leaves, 8 or 10 bird-eye chilies just cut into half, 2 stalks of lemongrass for that goodness of flavor, ½ a leaf, that's the pandan leaf, and lastly, this gorgeous Thai ginger that we've cut into juliennes. It's just odds and ends macerating and infusing in this sesame oil. Into this goes 2 red onions, finely chopped up. Just allow it to now saute on the slowest possible temperature for about 2 to 3 minutes. Perfectly sauteed for about 2 to 3 minutes. In goes 2 red bell peppers just cut into juliennes. And it's time to take that chicken with all those pan juices and slide it back inside. Don't hesitate to throw all the juices back in. Just mix it up really well. Scrape off all those gnarly bits that settle at the base that just adds to that gorgeous flavor. So scrape away. De-stress too while creating magic in your pot. At times I like to cook this just like this, creating a version of this creation, or other times call for 2 sweet potatoes cut into dices going in, along with about 50 grams of pea brinjals and the splash of a lemon juice. Just allow it to cook on the slowest possible simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes now. Don't forget, though totally optional, a splash of fish sauce just to intensify the Thai flavors. So I like to go overboard with nearly 20 ml, but this is totally optional. I did want all the flavors to intensify and marry into each other, so I allowed this to slow braise for about 10 minutes, and finally into that goes nearly 800 ml of first extract of coconut milk. Now if you are a sucker for punishment like me, go right ahead and make your own or just use a store-bought variant. You want this to be creamy and enriched, so just allow this to slow braise on the slowest possible simmer for another 20 to 25 minutes. Now ain't this a really simple curry? 20 minutes of allowing this to simmer, and just go and check whether the sweet potato is done for you to be spot on track. I'm just going to put it into a bowl, garnish it and enjoy it. All this needs is a fine sprinkle of some parsley to tone down the flavor slightly, and not forgetting some air-dried basil just nestled right on top. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. Warm, fuzzy Thai tones, perfect for the chilly balmy weather that we are in. All this needs is a dollop of steamed rice to indulge in. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.